In this lesson, we want to explain capture information effect. To do this, click on effects. Here is a list of all effects we can use. We have two general modes for effect. The effects here are for when the photo was captured or imported into our software and then apply. And we can control it at any time. But the same effects are exactly in the main software in the effects section here. The only difference is when they are applied. These effects must be set before and applied during the capture, but you can still change them. To start, we start with a main effect. But in this effect, we have to work on the photo that we are already captured, not the photo that we import on our software. In its settings, you can enable these items. As you can see, application name, version, date and time, operating system, or custom text, for example, TC, means TutorialCell. But in a custom text, you can change the font, color, size, as well as the background of text, as you can see. But if you go into the main software on the effect settings, the capture info, there is another option that is prompt at the capture. The prompt at the capture option means that after capture is done, we activate it and the capture here, the software will ask you for the desired text. Okay. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.